Hi, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to get set up on the Echelon Sport-S. Before we begin, it is important to talk to a doctor before starting a new exercise routine. If you feel any pain or discomfort while riding, make sure to stop and consult a doctor before proceeding. Before riding, be sure to warm up and stretch to prevent any injuries. Let's get started. Let's start by first adjusting the seat. To adjust the height, simply turn the knob counterclockwise and pull out. At the same time, pulling up or down the seat, you'll want to adjust the seat or saddle so that it is aligned with your hip bone while standing upright next to your bike. Make sure the seat is secure and turn the knob clockwise to secure. Now it's time to adjust the saddle for optimal depth. Turn the knob directly underneath the seat counterclockwise to loosen the adjustment. The seat will move forward or backward. Place your elbow at the front of the seat to adjust your fingertips just to the middle of the handlebars. Turn the knob clockwise to tighten and secure the seat. To adjust your handlebar height, loosen the knob in front of the bike by turning it counterclockwise. Stand in front of your seat with both of your feet planted on opposite sides of your bike. Adjust the position of the handlebars so that it is at least the height of your seat. Turn the knob clockwise to secure. Now that you're ready to ride, let's adjust the toe cages. Start by inserting your feet into the toe cages, adjusting the strap by pulling up and inserting back into the loop. Make sure your foot does not reach the very front of the toe cage. There are 3 positions on a bike. During the ride, the instructor will tell you which position to be in. Don't worry if you forget which position is which. You can always mirror the instructor's form. Seated position is the first position. You'll be comfortably seated on the bike. Good posture means shoulders back and relaxed with an open chest, and your core will be engaged and your hands will be placed on the wider edge of the handlebars with a slight bend in your elbows and knees. This will be your main position during a ride. You can easily adjust resistance by turning the red knob clockwise for more resistance or counterclockwise to decrease the level of resistance. If you need to stop abruptly at any time, press down on the knob to stop the bike. Second position requires a little more effort. Start by increasing the resistance until you need a little more effort to pedal. Once pedaling becomes a bit challenging, raise yourself out of the saddle. Just like in the first position, maintain your posture with your shoulders back and relax, and your chest out and open. This time, your hands will be placed where the handlebars start to bend. You will be standing tall with your hips over the pedals and a slight bend in your knees. Now let's take a look at third position. Raise your resistance until you feel pedaling is even more challenging and requires a bit of an effort to continue. We are rising out of the saddle again, this time with our hips over the pedals, maintaining that slight bend in our knees and making sure your shoulders are comfortable and not inching forward or upwards. Your hands will be placed between the bend in the handlebars and the top of the handlebars with a comfortable grip. Remember, you are not putting all your support in your handlebars. Your drive is coming from your legs and your heels. Want to take a class off the bike? Simply flip the screen 180 degrees to enjoy a Fit Pass class. The Echelon Sport-S is equipped with a water bottle holder below the resistance knob so you can stay hydrated during a ride. Now that you know how to set up your bike and correct form, you are ready to ride. I'll see you on the leaderboard soon.